everyone. So today we're going to revise our chapter, and the name of this chapter is Heat. So let's start. We know that many things around us can be hot or cold, like tea or boiling water is hot, and ice or ice cream is cold. This is not just a sensation but a form of energy called heat energy. Heat can be termed as an energy which makes you feel hot or warm, or we can say significantly that it is a form of energy where the transfer of energy forms a hot to cooler object takes place. The differentiation of hot and cold comes from the difference in their temperature. Hence, temperature is a measure of degree of hotness of an object. Now, measuring temperature. The device that measure the temperature is known as a thermometer. There are various kinds of thermometers depending on the purpose or usage of the same. The various kind of thermometer are as follow. First is clinical thermometer. This type of thermometer is used to measure the body temperature only and is used in hospitals by doctors and also at homes. A clinical thermometer generally consists of a long narrow glass tube with a bulb at one end that contain mercury. A thread of shining mercury is seen along the scale indicated on the thermometer, which help in taking the reading. The scale used in India is the Celsius scale and is indicated by the symbol C. The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and so the range of this thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. To take the reading, the bulb of the thermometer is kept below the tongue for a minute. Nowadays, due to the toxic nature of mercury and issue of the thermometer being broken and spilling it, the digital thermometer are in use which are safe and do not contain mercury. The second type of thermometer is maximum minimum thermometers. These are used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. They are U-shaped parallel glass tubes. It is used to record the temperature at a place. The last thermometer is laboratory thermometer. This thermometer is used to measure the temperature of all objects other than a human body. It consists of a long glass tube with a kink and has a bulb containing mercury at the end of the tube. This is generally used in laboratories for checking the boiling point, freezing point, etc. Hence, the range of this thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now, transfer of heat. We know that heat is the transfer of energy from a hotter object to a cooler object. Like if a spoon is left in a bowl of a hot soup, then the heat from the soup is transferred to the spoon and it's become hot. This transfer of heat can occur in different ways. They are first, conduction. This is a process of heat transfer where the heat is transferred from the hot part to the cold part of the object. Examples: the handle of a pen get hot when the pen become hot. So a wooden or a plastic handle is made from them. The substance that allow the heat to pass through them are termed as conductor. Example: iron, copper, etc. The substances that do not allow the heat to transfer through them are called insulators or poor conductors, for example, wood or plastic. Second, convection. This is the form of heat transfer in liquids and gases where the heat is transferred by the movement of the heat molecule within them. Example: boiling of water. The molecules of the fluid or gas near the surface of heat becomes hot and rise up, and this is replaced by the cooler molecules in the fluid or air. They also get heated up and rise till the entire fluid or air is heated. This is the principle behind the interesting feature in the coastal areas called the sea and the land breeze. Now, sea breeze. The coastal region, the land gets heated up faster during the daytime, and as the land gets hotter, the hot air rises up. At the time, the cool air from the sea blows in to take its place, and the warm air from the land moves to the sea to complete the cycle. This cool breeze flowing from the sea to the land is termed as the sea breeze. Second, land breeze. The opposite of this happens at night. The lands cool faster than the water at night, so the cool air moves toward the sea to replace the warm air of the sea. The cool air moving from the land toward the sea is termed as land breeze. Third is radiation. This is a form of heat transfer where a medium like air or liquid is not required to transfer the heat energy. Example: heat from the sun, a hot utensil, becomes cool after some time by transfer of heat to surrounding this way. All the hot bodies are capable of radiating heat. Now, absorption of heat. The heat that is radiated by the objects is reflected, absorbed. The heat increases the temperature of the object. Dark colors are capable of absorbing heat, so we feel comfortable wearing them in winters, and we use a black umbrella to go out in the sun. Light color reflect heat, and so we feel comfortable wearing them in summer. We use woolen clothes in winters, though wool is a poor conductor of heat. It can trap air, again a bad conductor of heat, in between the fiber, which does not allow the heat from the body to escape into the surrounding and thus keeping us warm. So this is all about this chapter. In this video, we actually revised this whole chapter in a very short video. So I hope you all understand well. Thank you so much.